Welcome to the Weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trend. I'm your tech host Vinny Gupta and we have got some exciting stories to dive in today. So let's get started. Infosys has partnered with the NVIDIA to launch AI-driven solution for the telecom sector, utilizing Infosys AI-first services, Topaz, and NVIDIA's advancement technology. This collaboration aims to enhance a customer experiences, streamline network and operation, and accelerate services delivery for telecom companies. Infosys has developed three generative AI solutions: a Tosaka network services design, a smart networking operating center, and Infosys Cortex, a contact center transformation platform. Anand Swaminathan of Infosys and Ronnie Vashisht of NVIDIA highlighted the partnership potential to boost businesses' efficiency and productivity through advanced AI capabilities. Google is introducing a custom AI chatbot called GEMS to Gemini subscribers, allowing users to create a chatbot with a distinct personalities with a specialist, such as a gym buddy as a writing editor, by simplified describing instruction. First unveiled during I/O in May, GEMS can be customized or selected from a pre-made options like a learning coach or career guide. Google is rolling out a GEMS to Gemini advanced businesses enterprise user on mobile and desktop across 150 plus countries and most languages. This move is seen as an effort to catch up with the OpenAI, which already offers a custom chatbot creation and sharing. Google's new model, Game Engine, integrates a generative AI into gaming, pioneering a shift where games are way off the neural model rather than a traditional code. Developed by a Google Research and a Google DeepMind, Game Engine interactively simulates the classic game Doom at over 20 frames per second on a single TPU, achieving a PSNR of 29.4. The model uses a reinforcement learning and a diffusion model to predict game frames in a real time. Although still in early stages, Game Engine's ability to run complex games like Doom marks and significant advancement in AI-driven gaming technology. Before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you enjoyed this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top for all things tech. Here, why you should subscribe. IT Voice is a one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from the pioneering AI advancement to the hottest startup changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content, stay ahead of the curve and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. Claude has launched the Note Pen, an AI-powered wearable device that records and transcribes conversations. Available for a pre-order at $169, approx rupees 14,170. The device can be worn as a wrist strap, a necklace, or tie pin. It features 64 GB of storage, a 270 mAh battery, and 2 Means microphones. The basic AI features are free, with a $79 yearly subscription unlock advanced features like summary templates and speaker labeling. Available in a cosmic gray, a lunar silver, and a sunset purple. The Note Pen comes with the accessories, offers AI model options including OpenAI GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sony. OpenAI is seeking additional funding as it develops Orion, a new model expected to handle a complex problem more efficiently than current AI technology. This aligns with the cryptic hints from OpenAI Sam Altman about an internal Project Strawberry or a Cube, designed to provide high-quality training data for Orion. Despite its potential, Strawberry faces a latency issues, impact and response time. However, it excels in a task requiring deep reasoning, such as a complex word puzzles. Former NVIDIA engineer Bojan Tangle expressed a willingness to invest in such a system, highlighting the value of robust reasoning despite a latency curve. Meta Llama AI models are now being utilized by companies like Goldman Sachs and AT&T and tasks such as customer services, document review, and code generation. Since there is a public release last year, Llama models have been downloaded nearly 350 million times, up from 300 million in July. Usage via cloud providers like AWS and Azure has more than doubled recently. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg emphasizes that offering Llama for free positions Meta completed, aiming for it to become industry standard. Despite their impressive capabilities, Llama models still face challenges with the logical task and factual accuracy, limiting their business's adaptation. startups. At Reliance Industries' 47th annual general meeting, AI was a major focus. The chairman Mukesh Ambani discussing plans to integrate AI across its businesses including telecommunication, retail and energy. Reliance is setting up AI-ready data centers in Jamnagar, Gujarat powered by a green energy to reduce AI interference costs. Jio is developing GeoBrain and partnering with the Geo Institute to advance AI talent. Geo AI Cloud will offer up to 100 GB of free storage and Geo Phone Calls AI and Geo EVOS with an AI assistant were introduced. No updates were given on the anticipated IPOs for Geo and Reliance Retail. That's all for this week AI Digest. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would love to hear your thoughts in these developments, so drop a comments below. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on IT Voice.